Hi friends, my name is Mohit and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Support. Today we will learn how we can create Windows Virtual Web Server on AWS platform. So let's start. First of all, we need to know to open the AWS console page. I was already logged in, so I'm just logging back. But you please put your user ID and password on this. Go to the EC2 option. Here we need to launch the instance. So here we are taking the Windows server, this one. Here we are automatically selecting the T2 micro. So we are taking this one. So that's the thing, and just leave this setting as it is. And it's already ticked on delete on termination when we will terminate this instance. So automatically this storage space also. Now going to the add tag. Here is a name value is a web server. Sorry. So now click on the next. Here we are adding the HTTP protocol because RDP is already there for accessing this server. And now I'm adding the HTTP rule also. Now I'm click on review and launch. So guys, and now I'm clicking on the launch button. So here I'm asking me to create a new peer key peer. So demo, not demo, we can put it another one test. Test 123. Now I'm downloading the key PEM file and clicking on the launch instance. So friends, now it's launching the instance and it will take few minutes for launching this thing. So I'm pausing this video and coming back when it will be completed. Welcome back. Here we can see our instance is already created and it's a running state and its availability zone is AP-South 1A and now we have IP is there. So first of all, we need to connect this server. So first of all, I am downloading the remote desktop file on my desktop. I am getting the password over there. So choose the 123 file. Oh, sorry, and download and test and now decrypt the password. I am copying this thing and notepad. So I have put the password and close one. Now I'm connecting this one. Uh, I connected this server. Click on connect. Here asking me the password. I clicked on OK. So first of all, I'm logging in the computer, this server, this computer, and we will install IAS services in this server. So guys, we have this server and as a physical server, we can say that for virtual server, we can say that so where we can install anything on it. So first of all, we will install the IAS services. It will take some time to configuring this thing. So guys, this is a server. Now we are installing the IaaS service on it. I'm clicking on the start button. Going to the server manager. Here it's configuring this thing. You can see that it will take some time. Yeah, it's still initializing. Let's wait some time. I'm pausing this video. It will take some time. So guys, welcome back. Now it's initialized. So let's do. So here we need to install IaaS services. Click on next. So here server selection. You can change the server name as you want, but here we are just installing the web server. Here I have clicked on this thing. No, I have selected something else. Yeah. So uh, clicked on the add feature. Next, next, next. So just next. So it's asking me the restart automatically if required, but we can click on that. Okay, but we do not want to restart. Let's click on install. So guys, it will take some time. Once this service will install, I will come back. It will take some time. Welcome back, friends. So now install. I have closed. So now IaaS service is installed on this server. Now I'm minimizing this thing, and here we have an external IP. So I'm copying this thing and trying to access this website server. So here you can see that the default web server is all available with this server. So guys, now we already access this server also, as I told you. So guys, this is a thing. And have you seen that? Saw that how we created this server? I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.